Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you two different looks. I was trying to recreate the first one that I just showed, but it didn't end up turning out exactly like that, so I'm going to try to start showing more of my brushes. This one's from Michaels actually. It's a paintbrush. Taking a brown eyeshadow and I'm making a wing shape, and I'm taking a lighter brown and I'm blending on top of it. And then I'm adding black. Same thing with the other side. And I'm going to take a little bit more of that first brown that I used on a blending brush, and I'm going to blend. And I thought I needed to add a little bit more here, and I ended up messing up right there. That looks way too big. So I just took some makeup remover and a Q-tip, and then I add a little bit more eye primer. I use MAC Paint Pot. I'm going to redo the wing and do the same thing down the other eye. Then I dropped my palette, broke 3 shadows, made a big mess. Now I'm just adding some to the under eye, and I'm gonna clean this wing up with a Q-tip and some makeup remover. Now I'm gonna use this Hydration Salvation oil from Bliss. If your skin's like really dry, you can use oil as a primer, and it will also make your makeup stick really good. And I'm also trying a new foundation. It's from Maybelline. It's called the Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. And I really like the finish. It's nice. I'm gonna add a little bit more right in the center there. Now I'm gonna use my Milk Makeup Flex Concealer and Maybelline Fit Me. This in my last video. It's from Uma Beauty. It's their double take contour stick. I forget the names of these things. There's so many names. And now I used this blush last time too. It's from Milk Cosmetics. Now this I haven't used in a while. It's from Bitter Lace Beauty. It's liquid highlight. It's really pretty. And the thing I like about the formula is you can blend it out to be really sheer and, you know, not as noticeable, or you can like pack it on and really make it shiny. Like on the wing, I'm using a brush and it's gonna be more opaque, like how it's on my hand, and then I'm gonna try and blend it out. It was still wet, so I tried to blend it out, and look how pretty that is. using Milk Makeup mascara, and I really like this, the wand and the formula. I will say it doesn't last as long as some of my other mascaras. Like, if my eyes get a little bit watery throughout the day, it will start to kind of flake off. So yeah, I filmed this video probably like January 1st, December 31st maybe, and I know a lot has happened since then. And I just don't know what to say. I felt carefree in this video. That's why you see me kind of do a little dance, you know, having fun. But just know I don't feel that way now. I feel sad that our country has gotten to the point that it has, and I feel sad for the people that lost their lives during the insurrection at the Capitol. And I think that's kind of why it took me so long to edit this video. Like, I just didn't know what to say, and every time I would try to talk about it, I would just start crying, and I can't believe that people still support Donald Trump. And if you do, you need to reevaluate. Sorry. I'm already going over my time to talk, so thank you guys for watching this video. But yeah, I hope you liked the slow look that I did. Thank you guys for watching.
Mama.
Bye.